Hey guys, good afternoon. Jameson, Athens Ford. Hope you're having a great day. So we're checking out a 2015 Porsche Cayman S. It's available here in my inventory. Just over 19,000 miles, priced in the low 50s. 3.4 liter V6 engine, rear wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. So we'll go ahead and get started, let you guys check it out. So again, 2015 Porsche Cayman S, 19,000 on the miles. As you can see, it is springtime here, so it's got the pollen package on it. Black exterior, upgraded brakes, premium wheels, 6-speed manual transmission. Again, it has the 3.4 liter V6 engine on the inside. Sport mode, it was adult driven, excellent shape. Those are Pilot Super Sport Michelin tires on there, so nice and grippy. Dual tip center exit exhaust in the back. And it does have a button on the inside where you can raise this rear spoiler here as well. Leather interior, dual zone climate, heated seats up front, sport mode. Again, the mileage just hit 19.5 on it, so 19,581 currently. And again, it's priced right now in the low 50s for sale. So if you guys know anybody in the market for a Porsche Cayman S, be sure to reach out to me. Email is always the best, jjohnson@athensford.com. Again, that's JJOHNSON at athensford.com. Thanks again for watching. If you're new to the channel, be sure to go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing video walkarounds here pretty often, so I'd love to be able to help you put a deal together if I have something in my inventory that works for you. Again, Jameson, Athens Ford, 2015 Porsche Cayman S, 3.4 liter V6, rear wheel drive, 6-speed manual, 19,000 miles, priced in the low 50s. Look forward to working with you guys soon. Have a great day.